Transform your home with Snooze Factory's incredible curtain rods, the ultimate window makeover solution. Are you tired of boring, outdated curtains? Ready to give your home the luxurious makeover it deserves? Look no further. Introducing Snooze Factory's revolutionary curtain rods, the ultimate solution for transforming any window into a stunning focal point. Our adjustable, easy-to-install curtain rods are designed to elevate your home's aesthetic and provide the perfect balance of style and functionality. Say goodbye to drab curtains and hello to a world of infinite possibilities. Crafted from the finest materials, our curtain rods are built to last. With a sturdy, durable design, they're perfect for hanging heavy curtains and withstanding the test of time. Say goodbye to flimsy, low-quality rods that bend or break. Snooze Factory's curtain rods are the epitome of quality and reliability. Our ingenious double rod design allows for seamless adjustability, ensuring a perfect fit for any window size. With our easy drill brackets and versatile pipe system, installation is a breeze even for those who struggle with DIY projects. Say goodbye to complicated, time-consuming setups. With Snooze Factory's curtain rods, you can achieve the ultimate window makeover in no time. Snooze Factory's curtain rods, the ultimate solution for a stunning window makeover. Don't miss out. Order now and start your journey to a more elegant, sophisticated home.